Hello, my name is Locksley Kolakowski, and I'll be reading my story, Snowy and Blizzard's Scary Night. On a dark, stormy night, Snowy was reading one of her many 1,000-page books when her twin sister flew through the door. Blizzard couldn't help but to start speaking right away in a really loud voice. Guess what? I just learned that we live only a little ways away from a town called Everett. I heard that there is a library there, and I know how much you love to read books. Blizzard blurted this entire sentence out in less than 5 seconds. Snowy, who was much quieter than her sister, whispered that she would love to go. So the two twin owls flew off into the light of the full moon, despite the ominous weather building around them. The two snowy owls, named Snowy and Blizzard, lived with their mother in an old oak tree. Snowy was shy and happy to stay home. She would stay in the oak tree all day, patching up blankets, fixing meals, and hooking rugs with her mother. Blizzard was a different case completely. Blizzard stayed out all day making her tree house and pruning the plants of the oak tree's roots. When she finally came inside for the day, she was covered from head to toe in mud. Otherwise, Snowy was sleek and clean. It was quite surprising that they were twins. Even though they seemed so different from each other, they looked exactly the same, with matching yellow eyes and lovely white feathers, with black speckles all over them. Their wings and talons were black too. The only way that you could tell them apart was when Snowy was wearing a bright pink rose in her hair, and Blizzard was wearing the same old straw hat that she had worn yesterday. As they flew through the sky, the moon's eerie glow made the twins plumage a deep green while they made it to the lighted city of Everett. The wind blew past them as they flew over the first buildings, and the lightning crashed around them. Finally, Snowy and Blizzard landed on the library building, only to spot a thick steam floating up from the open doors. "What's happening?" Snowy asked in her barely audible whisper. "I don't know, but let's find out," Blizzard said in a confident tone. Snowy shuddered and started to back away from the door. Blizzard was so optimistic about the possibilities. Could it be a ghost? She flew right in, not looking back. And even more worried than before, Snowy flew after her sister. When Blizzard first flew into the library, she instantly got lost in the mist. Everything started to become scary. Blizzard suddenly bumped into a bookshelf that looked like a monster. Ah! Blizzard screeched as she flew away, somehow downward spiraling into the basement. Snowy was so scared she started shivering. She had heard Blizzard's voice and started to zoom around trying to find her sister. The second she saw the swaying doors leading into the basement, she gasped. What could happen to her sister down there, and where was all the mist coming from? Snowy started flying down the long spiral staircase until she saw her sister safe and sound. That is, until they heard a soft growling noise from the back of the room. Suddenly, a large wolf came into their view. Snowy and Blizzard only had one advantage. They could fly, and the wolf could not. An open book lay right beside the wolf. It seemed like the mist was coming from the book itself. Surprised at this thought, Snowy and Blizzard had the same exact idea at the same exact time. Maybe they could push the wolf back into the book. The gray wolf slinked towards them with strong, powerful moves. Saliva dripped from his mouth. The ugly yellow glint of his teeth could be seen as he snapped at the two owls. Snowy and Blizzard started to fly around frantically, with their sharp talons raised, and the wolf started to back away, getting closer to the open book. In seconds, one of the wolf's hind legs had touched the book, and with all the mist, he disappeared. Snowy and Blizzard took a deep breath and closed the book, thinking how true the saying is that books can take you many places and on new adventures. They flew all around the library and decided to pick out some less adventurous books for now. A cookbook for Snowy and a book on gardening for Blizzard. When the moon started to sink behind the horizon, Snowy and Blizzard returned home to their mother, who gave them 2 hot lemons and 2 cups of her famous steaming berry tea. The twins dug in, knowing that they had not eaten since the sunset. While they ate, Snowy and Blizzard's mother went away to catch more lemmings for her yummy recipe. After Snowy and Blizzard ate everything that they could possibly fit in their small stomachs, they gave each other a hug. Soon after, they wished each other a good night, read a few chapters of their new books, and fell asleep, knowing that they would have an even more exciting day tomorrow. I would like to dedicate this story to my twin sister, Lindsley. The end.